To start, make sure you're running a stable internet speed. Ideally, you want at least 5 Mbps download speed and a ping below 60 ms. These are the minimums for a good connection. Switch to a wired connection. Next, use a wired connection whenever possible. Ethernet cables offer way more stability than Wi-Fi, so this alone can make a huge difference. Close background apps. Now let's close any background apps that could be hogging your bandwidth. Things like streaming, downloads, and software updates all add up and can trigger those annoying packet bursts. Set up BO6 on your router. Here's a game changer setting up quality of service or QoS on your router. QoS lets you prioritize gaming traffic so your gameplay gets the speed it needs. Simply log into your router by typing 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 in your browser. Find the QoS settings and set on off. DNS to a faster server. Switch your DNS settings to a faster option like Google DNS 8.8.8.8. Just log into your router settings again, go to DNS settings, and enter these numbers to get a smoother connection. Update Battlefield 6. Check for updates. Developers release patches to tackle bugs, including network issues. Make sure your game is up to date by visiting the game's settings or update manager. Disable VPNs and proxies. Lastly, if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. These add extra latency and can contribute to packet bursts, so turning them off will keep your connection more direct and stable. That's it. Try these tips to reduce packet bursts in Battlefield 6 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.